Welcome back, and this will be the last step of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, the seventh step. This one is easy, but if you find it hard, then just work on it so you'll get it down packed. First thing you want to do when you reach this step is find the side that is full. In my case, it's the orange side. So I will be facing this side. When you find the side that's full, you want to turn to the opposite side of that side. So for example, orange opposite to orange is red. So the red side, this is the side I will be working with. If you have the blue side full, then you will be working with the green side. Well, what you gotta focus on is making sure that the side that is full is in the back of the side that you're working on. So I'm gonna work with the red side. Now, in this step, you want to be aware of some things. First thing, this color in the middle. This color in the middle is important. I'll tell you why in a few minutes. First, let's begin the step. You grab the front of the cube and you turn it 180 degrees. Then, once you do that, on the top of the cube, you're going to have a white horizontal line. This horizontal line, you want to place it in the correct spot. You can either place it in this step, you can either place it here or here. Well, depending on what this color is, in my case it's green, you'll turn it towards that side. So here it's green, so I'm gonna turn this white horizontal line towards the green side. See the green side right there? This is the green side. So we turn it. We're taking this white towards the green side. So it's there. Now, what you want to do is grab these two sides and turn them towards the side you're working on. This red side right here. The white and the yellow. Now, if this could help you, make believe that these two colors are gonna help the red side go back up to where it was in the first place. So we are gonna turn this 180 degrees. This is how the red side was in the beginning of this video. So that's what you want to do. You want to get it back to how it was before. Now you get these two colors and you put them back to the top. They're at the top right now. Don't worry about this yellow in the middle. Let's focus on these two. So now, once you have that set, once they're up there, you look around the cube. Well, what can we do with this cube? Well, we can take this orange here or this red here. Since I was working with the red, I'm gonna take the red horizontal line and match it with its side. And now you look to the top. See the white horizontal line? You just take it to its side. Take it to its side. So here's the yellow side. So 180 degrees should place this white to its side. So and there you go. The Rubik's Cube is solved. The 3x3 Rubik's Cube is solved, and the last step is done.